Way to go, SpongeBob! See you tomorrow, SpongeBob and Gary! Alright, let's see what they got at 81st Street! Alright, we're about to approach 81st Street, which will contain the second half of the balloon lineup.
Wasn't the best time.
What's coming up? Up. There's the Believe Stars, the Candy Cane, Pikachu and Eevee, Snow Crystal Ornaments, Santa Starflakes, Stuart the Minion, Dolly the Hot Air Balloon, Papa Smurf, Astronaut Snoopy, Ronald McDonald. All right, here we are. Right. There's the red mini star, which is only going to be used for the press area, not in the parade. And there's the red Believe Stars. And there's the Candy Cane. Look at that candy cane. There's Pikachu and Eevee. There's Pikachu and Eevee. There's the Candy Cane and the Believe Stars. And I think that's the Snow Crystal Ornament. There's a Snow Crystal Ornament. And I think that's Stuart, the Minion.
Things can be real and I can.
Well, I think that's Tiptoe. She's not inflated.
There's something to that.
There's the Santa Starflakes.
Oh, there's a Minion.
There's a Minion.
I know. So I'm saying.
Yep. There's Stuart. That's the hot air balloon from Universal. Way to go, Santa Starflakes and Snow Crystal Ornaments. There's Stuart the Minion. Stuart is ready for some bananas. There's the Banana Man. There's the Giga Chad himself. There's Papa Smurf. Look at Stuart. Papa Smurf. La 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 la. Sing a happy song.
Well, I guess they're gonna blow them up.
There's Astronaut Snoopy.
Oh yeah, yeah.
We're out.
There's Astronaut Snoopy. Snoopy is looking his best for parade day.
I want to get one of me and you in front of the vendors.
Up there's Ronald McDonald.
Oh, we gotta get. And we just got one. Papa Smurf. Let's get in front of Snoopy's all blown up. Almost.
There's Ronald McDonald. And I picked that striker, the U.S. soccer star. Getting ready for the World Cup. There's Ronald McDonald, Snoopy, Papa Smurf. And there's Striker, the U.S. soccer star. And I think that's Go Bowling. There's Go Bowling. Oh, and it looks like they're inflating the bowling ball. Way to go, Striker. Ronald McDonald and Snoopy. Papa Smurf and Stuart. There's Smokey Bear. Remember, only you can prevent forest fires.
The first half I was in. So they have two.
There's Smokey Bear.
They powered, so they
And there's Baby Shark, I think. And there's Dino, the Sinclair oil dinosaur. Smokey. Striker, Ronald. There's Dino. Smokey, Dino. And there's the baby dinos. That'll be joining him. I see Baby Shark. Oh, they're about to do it. They're about to do it. Kalahari. Baby dinos and Dino himself with the new baby dino, Baby Shark. There's the baby dino. There's Baby Shark. Baby Shark, baby Shark, baby Shark, baby Shark. There's Dino. There's Dino and Baby Dino looking their best. And there's Baby Shark. You can see the float down there.
hello.
Entrance to viewing is at 72nd and Willis.
There's Baby Shark and Dino. There's Kalahari. And there's Magic Meets the Sea. And Kinder and Olay and the rest of the floats. There's Baby Shark. And Dino. And the floats.
So we're about to get out of this crowd.
All right, see you guys. See you tomorrow. Over there, the Celebration Gator is getting ready. And there's Baby Shark. There's Baby Shark. And Snoopy's doghouse. And elf pets. And I think it's the Winter Dragon. Way to go, Celebration Gator. Whoa, they're doing something right now. There's the Entenmann's Bake Shop float. There's the Entenmann's Bake Shop float already. It's everyone's favorite bake shop. Oh, they still gotta put in that tube. And there's the Toys R Us float. There's Jeffrey's Dazzling Dance Party. I don't wanna grow up, I'm a Toys R Us kid. There's a million toys at Toys R Us that I can play with. And there's Wonder Bread and Peacock. There's Wonder Bread, Peacock, birds of a feather stream together. And there's the Winter Wonderland in Central Park. The Winter Wonderland in Central Park. There's Hallmark.
Oh, you know what Mr. Reese is talking about?
Jimmy Fallon's gonna be on this float. It'll be legendary. There's the Hallmark Channel float. And I think Lifetime is ready.
Oh, Hallmark, there it is.
I think Lifetime is ready.
Is that right? Do you go every year?
There's Hallmark. I think Lifetime is ready. There's the rest of the Hallmark Channel float.
Sitting on the ground. Like
Oh, and there's the Macy singing Christmas tree. There's the Hallmark Channel float. And there's Balsam Hill. Gloria Estefan and her family will be on there. And of course, there's the Macy singing Christmas tree. And I think that's Santa. There's the Macy singing Christmas tree. The Macy singing Christmas tree is here. To America from Macy's. To America from Macy's. Happy Thanksgiving! And there it is, the last float in this year's parade, Santa Claus. Pretty soon, Santa will be kicking off the holiday season on this float.
Okie dokie.
And there's Tiptoe. Happy Thanksgiving! Happy holidays, everyone!